That's for all.
They promise they're all good 3 months. You'll be able to work from home.
They tell me I'm good.
After like 5 months, we're going to get but now you're going to adjust your personality.
But anyway, I know we're there's something over here.
Okay, Chief of Seat Albert.
Okay, where is AT6 apparently passed to Chattagay a long while ago. So it's probably on the south end of the lake.
So you know I can't.
Okay, so you're AT6.
Yes.
Okay, where are you right now?
I'm right here.
Okay, so you're in the siding.
On the siding, in the clear.
Okay. At Virgin's.
You let me know when I move. Just yell. I'm standing right here.
It's done.
B1's done.
Yep.
So, and the best you can get out of any kind of account would be on.
Where's the done pile?
Just over there, just throw it anywhere on Red Rock.
Okay.
Where'd you end up?
Back in Rutland.
Yeah, I already put you up there.
That's the wave range.
Flipping you on the
Yeah, that's gotta be you.
protege.
Hi, dude. You are set. Yeah, but I'm selecting the foot.
I don't know if I showed you, but I had a phone for the Valley Line.
Requesting permission to
That's
close the door.
with,
I'm still selected on
the Walnuts there now. Look where that wall going. And it's over back to the
I don't know. That's what he's doing to me. I'm glad
Then I worked it.
So, Mike, you're going to come in on the massive siding here?
Yeah, I wanted to jump the now. No, it's the rear unit. The rear unit was making this noise when I was
Oh, I got those.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh god, oh god, oh god, stop the train. Alright, I got it. Actually, that makes it easier.
Yeah, that's
No, it was the controller. No, I mean that.
So basically, when you
I have those locomotives to start.
this one goes to the third house. You're going to find out where it is, and then what have we here?
Okay, I figured out which cars I'm dropping, and I have an extra car for some reason.
You have an extra car or an extra card, did you say?
Both. This was not on my list of things to drop off, but it says it's going to Chattagay, New York.
Yes, you should do that.
So I should drop this off for you?
Yes, that was probably one that was added.
1209?
Yeah.
Not that one there?
Yeah, so this is the first car.
Okay.
This is the second car, the Swift. This is the third car after the Swift. This is the fourth car, the tanker. I'm not dropping off those. And then I'm dropping off the tanker at the back. And I'm also dropping off the tractors near the back.
Very good.
And here are the rest
I'll
of them.
give him them.
Here you go.
Work those from the front. I'll come out once he's...
We can shove
I'm also-
we can just shove them,
I'm also,
doesn't matter.
I'm also supposed to pick up any empties that you have for me to take.
We don't.
we have none, believe it or not.
Okay, cool.
Everything wants to go southbound.
Weird. You let me know when to stop.
Keep coming.
I am.
You're going to stop once your caboose is
Clear of all the tracks.
clear of the...
Changes. Where that steam is.
no, about there. There's a little
A yellow marker?
signal base up over there, so you should stop when
This
your...
guy?
Yeah, that thing.
Okay.
Stop when your caboose is clear of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
TLX. Oh, I see. Okay.
Stopping.
That's good. Unplug and go down and work on the other end. I'll take care of this end.
Okay, I made the cut. Take it ahead.
Really, Drew? It rolled. 52 dispatch. Good 52. Navigate, you're clear to Lake Shore. Sorry, go right there. Yes, you're clear into Chattagate side. You're stopping Chattagate, correct? You're stopping Chattagate? Yep. 10-4, or Roger. Going into Chattagate. Give me a call, Chattagate. Okay. You should have seen this. What? Oh, he rolled it. It was a little late for the picture, but... Hold on, I took it. Wait, that's it. Oh, no, it didn't take. Oh, well, 3 cars rolled over. Dispatch range from your phone, better. Good. Do you feel like dispatching? Because I don't know if you can't feel like dispatching. You might be too young. Okay. He's like 17. You might be too young for dispatch. You were here, sir. You were here, sir.
Hello? 85 has arrived in
Gas tower out of here.
Gassett's Tower.
Where's William when I need him? William! He's watching you derail the train. I gotta drop off a car here.
In Bennington.
Did it again. On track 7, not 6. What he says? Yeah. Line yourself out or call me and I'll do it. I hold it there for the moment. We're going to get this done and move done really quick and then we can put it right back. And then you got... Just pull so you clear the fouling point on that inbound switch and then hold it. What do I do with this gun? For right now, it's...
NEB&W dispatcher calling the train at Troy Union, over.
Telling you, pick up that north end. And he finally told us, when you put the switch in and connect that track on the north end, I'll be glad to pick it up. But until then, I'm not doing it. What?
Go ahead, Chattagate.
Honest to God, for years, you exactly told me that. You're going to do it because I said so. It doesn't matter if it's impossible.
I'm the boss, I am right.
Exactly. Exactly.
Roger that, Chattagate. We're going to do this third movement. Switch back. And you have to
I'm
know
not
where
saying we were anything special out there, but we knew what we were doing. And those guys just showing up and started telling everybody what to do. Oh, it was insane. That's why I quit. I got out of there before I told you.